Ciao everybody, this is Miki and Carlo.
Or Bonnie and Gala.
And today we're going for an adventure on a bike in La Graciosa Island here in Lanzarote.
We're gonna bike all around the island and take you along with us. Ciao everybody, this is Miki and Carlo, or Bonnie and Gava, and today we're going to La Graciosa. We just bought the ticket. For the round trip is 26 euros each. The trip is 30 minutes to the island and 30 minutes back with normal sea conditions.
Since you can't go around the island with a car, we rented bikes, which is what everybody basically does. It's around 10 euros a day.
It's very cheap.
We're off to visit the southern part of the island first. It's maybe a little less touristy than the northern part where the most famous beach is, but we'll be doing that in the afternoon.
So for the morning, the first destination will be Playa Francesca and Playa de la Cocina.
Oh wow, look at the watercolor! But we don't have much time, so we'll walk by it and head directly for Playa de la Cocina.
So here we are at Playa de la Cocina. We got a giant volcano right behind us, sandy beach and blue waters. Amazing. Takes about 40 minutes to get here from the small village. The roads are not perfect. You can't really bike all the way here. You have to walk a little bit, but it's not bad. You can fit it in the morning.
Do it! Just do it!
And after this wonderful morning treat, it's time to head back to Caleta del Cebo for lunch and enjoy some local fish. So we just finished eating with this gorgeous view, and now we're heading off to the north to Playa de la Concha. Get back here, it's time to move. May not look like much, but it's very uphill. Ooh. With our bellies full of food. What are you looking at? This is the most beautiful beach we have ever seen. Like, not in Lanzarote, not in La Graciosa. This is ever. The most beautiful beach we've seen. Incredible. The water is just, it looks fake. It just looks fake even when you're here. And to top it off, you have a volcano on the right, a red volcano across the ocean. And a volcano across the ocean. This is just insane.